Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Tasks for task management in 2025. It's a simple yet powerful way to organize your to-dos directly inside Gmail, Google Calendar, or even on your mobile. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, on your desktop, you need to simply just open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for task.google.com/tasks. So once you simply search for this URL, you will be landed here inside the Google Tasks application. You need to just make sure that you log in over here with the help of your Gmail account. You can download the Google Tasks application if you want to access it in your mobile device. Now over here in the left hand section, simply click on the option of create. Now you need to add the task that you want over here. For example, let's say I added this one. Now you need to select the date and the time at which you want to basically complete this task. So after selecting it, you can just simply select whether you want to repeat it every single day. So you can select it daily. If you want to get the notifications all day, you can select it. After that, if you want any description, you can add it over here. Then you can select whether you want to add this particular task in your My Tasks section or in any other folder or in any other list. So once you have it, simply click on the option of save, and as you can see, this particular task is added in My Tasks section. Now over here you are going to see the list of all of the tasks that you have created. So you can make it for different things, like for schooling, for personal. So you can create multiple lists, and in those lists basically you can add multiple tasks over here. All of your lists will show here in this section. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.